Wells offers innovative and easy to operate ventless solutions to increase revenue in any space. So why should you go ventless? Historical buildings are a great place for ventless solutions. Many jurisdictions will not allow you to go through the floors and ceilings of these historical buildings. High-rise buildings may require expensive black iron that may be charged floor by floor. Stadiums and malls may not want ductwork in open view. Lease spaces are great because you get to take the hood with you if you leave the space. There is also a tax benefit for the piece of equipment because it depreciates faster. Wells' ventless system features a standard self-contained Ansel system. Installation is quick and easy, which will have you cooking in no time. Approved electric equipment is placed underneath the hood system, giving you the option to cook almost anywhere. All Wells ventless hood systems will save you time and money with our filtration indicator lights. These lights will tell you when to change the filters instead of changing them on a schedule or before they're necessary. All Wells hood systems are UL 710B listed and follow all the standards for recirculating hood systems. Let's take a closer look at each model. The Wells Ventless Universal System, or the WVU models, are available in several sizes. You can get it in a 26, 48, 72, or a 96-inch unit. The Wells Ventless hood system leads the market with the largest selection of commercial electric equipment to be placed underneath the hood. This is because we are tested and approved at a higher operating temperature to be used. Speak to your local Wells representative to learn about the best possible equipment solutions for your space. The Wells Ventless Cooking System, or the VCS line, offers various configurations to meet your needs. It is a completely self-contained built-in system, including the electrical equipment, the ventless hood, and the Ansel system. To start to configure your VCS, you get to choose from 3 different bases: a half-size oven, a double drawer warmer, or what you see here, a cabinet base. The top surface of the base can be configured to mix and match fryers, griddles, or hot plates to create 13 different models. Utilizing a single point connection, these units are easy to install. Please visit the Wells website to see all possible configurations. This is the Wells WVAE 55 series. It is a completely self-contained unit with electric fryer, Ansel system, and the ventless hood. The fryer has a 55-pound oil capacity with a single basket auto lift system and a built-in oil filtration system. The integrated hood features a multi-stage filtration system and a complete Ansel system. Because this unit is only 16 inches wide, it provides a great solution for any space. The Wells Ventless Canopy Hood, or the WVC-46, is perfect for combis, convection ovens, or cooking holds up to 40 inches wide. The unit features a 4-stage filtration system and can come with or without Ansel, depending on your local jurisdiction. Our self-contained Ansel system includes every component necessary for fire suppression: nozzles, plumbing, fire detection, manual pull station, tanks, ottoman, charging cartridge, and Ansel media are all included. As you can see, with the largest selection of electric equipment allowed underneath the hood, a completely self-contained Ansel system, and the ease of installation, all makes it easy to find the best solution with Wells. Please visit our website at wells-mfg.com to find all the resources and specifications on our ventless hoods, or you can call 1-800-264-7827.